This is the service elevator at the Brew House Lofts in the south side of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is another brand new Otis Gen2 elevator from 2016. Look up to 7. I think it's a little higher than 7 hours, so we'll go up there. This elevator has Class A loading and passengers are permitted to ride, and I'm a passenger. The rear door floors are apart. Yeah, 7's above 7 hours. They're at 7. Most of the time the R floors are above the front floors, but no, not for 7. Here, 7 floors full looks different. We'll go down the garage and basement, which is basically the same floor with the parking garage. Pretty basic stainless steel cap. This cap is hospital size and has 2 speed doors and a ceiling with a tall LED lighting. And not just a basic stainless steel Otis Gen2 elevator, the newer Series 2 swing panel. Elevator 2, the other one's elevator 1, there's a certificate installed in 2016. CPF for the type of elevator, combination passenger freight. Brew House, here at ground.